This is Sunisa. She is very self-entertaining girl and very fun. I think she's got a little boxer in her if you look at her face. I can't keep up with her. She's very playful. Just a silly little kind of a chunky girl. Yeah, with one white foot. Can you give me a look? Yeah, pretty girl. Come here. What's this? What's this? Can you sit? Susu, can you sit? Can you sit? Can you sit? There's that cute face. See that little pushed up nose? That little boxer thing going? Yeah, mama. See. Takes the treats gently. Nice baby. Yeah, looking at the other dogs, but she's not barking. Yeah, good girl.